What if you could take any reference outfit and redesign it using just an image and a prompt? Let's do exactly that with image and text to design. Go to Image and Text to Design from the Create menu. Upload your reference image. If Myth AI detects the resolution is low, higher resolution means better output quality. Now hit Auto Prompt. Myth AI reads your image and generates a full written description automatically. You don't need to write anything from scratch. Read through it, edit what you want to change, or leave it as is. Adjust sharpness to control detail intensity. Higher gives crisp, defined edges. Lower is softer and more painterly. Select your repeat mode here. Next, the influence slider. This controls how much weight goes to the image versus the prompt. Slide toward image to stay closer to the original look. Hit Create Design. Myth AI generates variations based on both the image and the prompt together. You'll see multiple directions, all referencing the original, but each taking it somewhere different. Same DNA, different outcomes. Pick the outputs you want to develop. Use the Use button to send your design directly into another Myth AI tool. Colorway, make seamless mockup generator. Pro tip, shift the slider more toward prompt and regenerate. You'll get designs that are more creative and less tied to the original image. Fast way to explore a wider range of directions without changing anything else. That's image and text to design. Try it on any reference image and tell us in the